Hello there, small unboxing is coming. All of these items is BMW original parts. And what do we have here? First is left side mirror ring. My one has cracked somewhere here, so I will change it later. Next is actuator for fuel tank cover. In the end of the video I will check what happened to mine out and how to remove it. Here is steering wheel cover. Mine one has broken these clips, so it's not holds in place, and every time you move steering wheel this will go down. And this is bubble carrier for left tail light. It has added ground cable, and I will also make video about this later. And one more box, and here is tension belt for luggage. Okay, let's remove all this stuff and check it. Here I have note and installation information. All of these hooks are made with steel but have rubber on it. So let's imagine we have some important luggage and we need to fix it. I can make hook like this or use this one in the same, or you can use like this. Let's try to fix wheel. Here I put this mechanism and put strip from bottom to top and tension it with hands first. Now I took hook from other side. Then mechanism from this side. From bottom to top and to the back. And tension with hands. And now out with mechanism. wheel is fixed. And to release this mechanism, I need to put this up like this, and now I can spin it. And it's not tight anymore. Okay, let's back to this actuator. This is how it looks new, and the problem is with this piece of rubber. It's almost broken. I will remove it fully and show what we got. You see, cap is not closing fully, and when I push this with hand, I can close it fully, but it will never open. So I need to use my finger or use something as a tool. To remove this actuator, I need to remove this rubber, and here I have two clips. Installation is very easy. Just push it and it's done. And now it should work good again. Yes, no problem. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you next.